I guess it's a nice day today. Yo, guys, can I come down? Night. Yeah. So stupid. Yeah. It's not fair. Yeah. Huh? Why is he? What the heck? Melon, why are you raging on Fortnite, bro? Bro, these people are hacking, bro. I'm freaking dead, bro. Where's the mouse? At least I didn't break my keyboard. Yeah, you didn't break your keyboard because you broke your monitor. No, I didn't. Oh, I just made a crack. That's it. It's not that deep. No, I can fix it. No, fixed. Yeah, I'm just going back to sleep, and I'm gonna act like this never happened. Now it's too cold in this house, so I'm gonna put my blanket there. All right, whatever you say. Someone has to make breakfast. Somebody said. Come on, young bull. Come on. Oh, you trash. Yeah, you trash. Oh my God, this is not fair. Melon, shush. No, bro, because it's not fair. Shut up. Shut up. God. Shut up. We're out of it. What? Oh, you did not do that. I would throw my hard pillow at you. Melon, shut up. I can hear you from the bathroom. No, you shut up, Dragon Fruit. Keep wait. I'm not even rating over Fortnite. Yes, you are. You're literally screaming at the top. Oh, God. I just fell off the toilet. I got the... I got flush. I broke it. Oh, whatever. I got to flush. I'm falling into the toilet. Help me. No. What should I put on TV, Apple? I don't know. Whatever you want to put. I don't even care. All right, bet. Put an FTTV, the OG. Now we just gotta sit back and relax. So, Tomato, what? Didn't you say you're gonna do Bubba Bingo? Yeah. You won't. I won't. Bet. Bubba Bingo! Bubba Bingo! Oh. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. Bubba Bingo! Yo. Hey guys, his head is glass, bro. Bubba Bingo! No. Ah! Okay. Ah! Hold on. Hold on. Bubba Bingo! Okay. Now this is just stupid. Bubba Bingo! I forgot. Holy crap! Oh. What the frick just happened? Oh, I feel better. I feel like I run a mile. Oh, I'm stuck in this toilet. I need something to help. Oh, well, I feel like I can get out the toilet now. Ooh. Oh, move it. And I already washed my butt. I don't feel bad. Ah! Whoa! Oh, No more hackers. I feel peaceful. And, bro, oh, I feel peaceful. It was never freezing. Now can I come down? No. Oh, man, stupid. I wonder what the neighbor's doing. My leg! No. Oh my God. What? I feel like I run a mile. Holy crap. Oh, I don't need a poopy anymore. I don't need a poopy. I don't need to take a fat dump anymore. Now time to flush the toilet. I set. And I already washed my bum bum. Flush the toilet. I don't know if I already gave it to them. Huh? Yeah. Yo. Oh. This is a nice day. Yo, what's up? Pop it to your leg. How do you know I'm not? Whatever. I don't know. What do you mean? Look. Don't lie. I broke my leg while I was sleeping. Oh yeah, my bad. I didn't. Excuse me. Excuse me. Alright, that's better. So, yeah. Huh? What? Tornado warning? What? Tornado warning? I detect a tornado warning. That's a tomato one. Can't stand these, bro. Oh my God. What? Okay. Tornado warning? What? Tornado warning? What the frick? Ding, 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 ding. Tornado warning. EF5? Corn? What? EF5? Oh, yeah, we're deep fried, bro. Oh my God. Apple? What? I accept my fate. But they don't get it. Tornado! What the frick? It's a tornado, bro! Oh, shoot. Whoa. Crap. What the frick? Guys, it's a tornado! Oh crap! Oh! No. Oh, my head. No. Oh, shoot. Apple, get out of here. No, it's too late. What the frick? And then the whole house just breaks down. Whoa! Why not just kill you now? Get out of here! I gotta get out! No! I failed! I'll be orange because he just got out. It's so laggy. My game. My game. What is this lag spike? And it goes back too. It's crazy. And the orange guy just falling. My game might be frozen. Guys. I think I just crashed my game right now, so I'm not gonna end the video, but I think I know why I think I know why my game broke. It's because probably the other house that I did, like where Melon and all of them are, I unfreeze their whole house, and no, it went down. Everybody's knocked out, except for Robot. Someone get out of here. Yeah. Owie. What the frick? They were supposed to be like, knocked down. Alright, I don't think they got the tornado hit on them. Whatever. Let me get out of here. Oh, frick. I meant frick, okay? We don't curse on this channel. What happened? I'm just too hurt. My jaw broken. Oh crap. What? Is your jaw broken? Yeah, my jaw broken. Look at the neighbor's house. What? Look at the neighbor's house. What? Let me see. Holy crap. Luckily we're not them. So lucky. What the fuck? Oh, I did not mean to do that. I can't get up. I did not mean to do that. Guys. Move. Pumpkin. I'm gonna go heal him later. Or there. God, this whole house. yeah, I forgot my robot. But whatever. What? What the frick? Yeah. My head. Got this. No. Gotta put her over there. Oh. Ah! Stuff's still going crazy. Is there anyone else? I need them. I need my friends. I need somebody. Hold on. Yo, dude, yo, robot. What? Who are you? I'm the neighbor. Duh. I live right next to you. Huh. Yeah. You need help finding your friends? I know who your friends are. I could. Oh, coming. Yeah, we could help you find them. Ow. Oh, thanks, I guess. And he just keeps dying, huh? They just keep dying. Oh, thanks, I guess. No problem. Yeah. I'm just trying to find my friends. This rubbish is crazy right now. As I was saying, the rubbish is crazy right now. So I think you should break the crates. Yeah, I got this. Oh, y'all found out. I'm just gonna act like I didn't find anyone. Why is this? This is strange. Hold on, guys. Let me check it. Yeah. Apple. I got you. Apple's fully stuck in there. I gotta take her back. Alright. It's gonna be the fun. Oh! Yeah. I'll check over here. I'll check all the way back here. Where is... Okay, he's back now. What the frick? Is that dragon fruit and corn? No, corn. He's dead. Corn is dead. He was a great friend. And he didn't have a family. Go. Take him over there, Purple. Alright, bet. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep him like that. What's the worst that could happen? Yeah. I would have done that. Sorry. Ow. Bro. Stop hitting me with it. Just get him out of here. Alright. Have you found one? Oh, I broke my foot. Well, my robot foot. No, not yet. I'm gonna check here. Is that... Oh, I didn't see that, I guess. What is the... It's the chair. Wasn't Melon on that chair? Oh, I found him. I found Melon. That's the last person, right? I'm pretty sure. Let me check. Yeah, I think it's me, Pumpkin, Dragon Fruit, Cactus, Tomato died, Apple and Melon. Yeah, that's everyone. What about Corn? Corn died. He didn't even have a family either. Dang. Dang. Yeah. Yeah, cool. You find this because yeah, until they wake up. Alright. I'm back. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. My friends. Yeah. What happened? What? Yeah. Dragon fruit? Robot. Oh, you're alive, buddy. You're alive. Yeah. I have bad news. I didn't know. Where's Corn? Bro, he promised me $10. Wait. What? I have bad news. You know how Corn owes you 10? Why'd you hand like that? It's stuck. Oh, okay. You know how he owes you $10? Yeah, he does. Because I beat him inside Block Blast. I beat him. I beat his score. And he needs to give me my freaking money. It's not fair. Corn died. What? Yeah, he, a bunch of stuff was on him and, he died. Why are your legs frozen? I'm a robot. They just freeze when that happens, so. Yeah. Oh, okay. So I guess I'm just gonna wait with you till the wake up. Yeah, I guess you could do that. I don't really care about my legs. I just can't move because like my legs are freezing. Bro, all I saw is a flying metal rod flying at me. Cat, is your life? Yeah, I know. Oh my god. Move, what? How'd you know? Hold on. What? Ah, my head. Owie. Ow. We need Melon to wake up. Everybody's almost alive. Tomato and Corn died. Oh, dang. What happened? What? How are everyone alive? Corn and Tomato died. Yeah, I was literally laying on Tomato's body, but I didn't know Corn died. I guess we got everybody except for Corn and Tomato now. Guess we're gonna have to rebuild the house. I got slammed into the TV. I got thrown out the window. My head hurt. My back hurt. My head hurt because you freaking throw that at me. Ow! It's not nice. Stop. Guys, thank you guys for watching. I really love that y'all watch my videos. Thank you so much for 64 subscribers. I really appreciate it. I love y'all so much. And I don't know what I'd do without y'all. So thank you for watching. Ducky out.